Hey guys, good morning. This is day 4. I guess I lost track of time now. We are here in Shillong and the view is the same every morning, but it's beautiful and no wonder people look so young and beautiful here. And now, today I slept in a different room actually. I am not sure whether I will be able to show you, but I'll try to show you my new room for a change. देखो बारिश वापस हो रहा है. It's so unpredictable here. Every day it's raining, and right now we're going for breakfast. Maybe in the same place, not maybe. Yes, it is in the same place. So I'm Christina and I make lifestyle vlogs. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I was going for breakfast but बारिश हो गई है और हम अटक गए हैं. देखो. So here's our ride to the restaurant. Hello? हाँ बड़ो कुमारी. Okay, no problem. हाँ, okay. No problem. We're in the restaurant. Ta-da! Safely landed. Let's have some food now. Complete Danka?
Huh? I'm completed.
Oh,
Almost 3-4 years starting with White House. No, White House. Same.
White House. Yeah.
Same White House guy. Donald Trump.
Let's go and check out the full view of our very own Bubagra's White House. And we also have our royal symbol emblem here. Ta-da! Ta-da! By the way, this house is designed by our own king himself, and we are really proud of him. Hey Kuchipu. Hello. Come, let's go to Bubagra's house. Lots and lots of puppies. Wow. जूता खोलना है? Wow. So nice. Uppu?
It still works.
Oh, you can play for Kumari?
Very little, but Maharaja Bibikram was a good pianist.
Oh.
So nicely.
lot of books on history.
Whose time?
These are all about, some books are about 400-500 years old also.
About
17th century, 18th century.
is there
some of
about
them.
the history of Tripura?
There is a separate section only on Tripura and Eastern India, all these mostly.
This one.
These are all Northeastern mostly. Okay. But immediately, we'll wait for 1 hour. Now, no, down, and but it's raining and very bad rain. No? There also we can sit behind if you like.
There.
But wherever she thinks it's lighting is better.
And there also, it's beautiful, Borkumari. Here, I think it's more beautiful. Here, it's beautiful. I wish I got you to explain to
I
me
already did the
about.
explanation to your mother.
Yeah,
But
but
of course it was just like that.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay, Rabindranath. Okay. Hitler. Oh,
You want to have some tea?
yeah,
I want this picture
Red
also.
tea or with milk?
No, Borkumari. We'll have lunch.
You'll have lunch now?
Yeah. After this is
My
done.
lunch is very simple. I could offer you. Mine is only gudok and rice.
Oh,
View of Shillong here. But it's raining again. No, that time
Oh.
it stopped raining.
that's what I thought. That's so beautiful.
So here we are in Tripura Castle, and this property is about 100 years old also. And Maharaja Bir Vikramanikya, when he was a very young boy, in his teens, he came for his military education to Shillong. Shillong, as everybody knows, was the capital of Assam and was a very renowned place for education and also military education in the northeast and eastern India. So he came here and at that young age established Tripura Castle, and we have about 13 acres of land and property here. He used to be here along with his tutors and officers from the Tripura army and ministers. They would come here also and training was imparted. Besides Tripura Castle, there was another property before this which is in Upper Shillong. It is a meteorological department. But we have a very long history with Shillong as well. And as you can see, we are at a height. It's about 6,000 feet almost. We are just below Shillong Peak. So the environment here is very good. We own our own private forest and we have lots of birds and wildlife here. So in our own way, Tripura Castle is very famous in the northeast and people appreciate whatever we've done for the environment and for the people of the northeast region. And you can see it's raining, of course, so it's a little damp, but the view of Shillong town from here in the front. And just behind us, you cannot make out unless you go in the garden, we have a view of the main forest going to Shillong Peak, which is over 7,000 feet.
Wow, this is called beauty. You can see the Shillong, the whole of Shillong from this balcony. There's the garden. And this is Tripura Castle.
Painted in Dhirendra Kishore Debbarma, also from the royal family. He did his painting in London as well. In London, in
did
India
he?
House, his paintings are still there.
Oh, Dhirendra Kishore.
Dhirendra Kishore, he's the Thakur family, Debbarma.
Oh, wow.
So, Somendra, Debbarma's relative.
And he introduced the style, and later on, Shantiniketan copied
This
Tripura's style. And this is actually Manipuri. You can see those people, they're drummers,
Oh.
it's done,
dancing, no?
the dance and all that.
Huh.
Tabla. All
You see all this?
dance.
Huh.
So this is all done in the northeastern style, in fact. And but the eastern influence, northeastern influence, actually influenced Bengal in one way.
Yes,
But people always take it in the other way, no?
right.
And a lot of famous paintings are here also.
Okay, this is from.
This is done by my father's art headmistress,
Oh.
Mrs. Goa. She was very famous.
It's kind of 3D.
It's like a 3D. It's they used to. It's similar to what we have like now in acrylic, but it's not that same thing. So she was also a very famous artist. And she taught my father, Maharaja Vikram. My father also, not many people know, he was also an artist.
How about you, Borokumari? Do you
I used
paint?
to do sketching. I did one sketching. I shared it on Facebook from an old photograph. I'll show it to you. Right now it's in my room.
Bubagra, does he know how to paint?
Maharaja is more interested in other things.
Oh,
Sports.
music?
He's mostly in sports.
Who sits here?
No, this is also a very old Chinese one. So about 400-500 years old.
Okay.
So now of course nobody, but it's made of lac.
Still new, no? Looks new.
But it's all right.
It's very old. I'll take you to the dining.
Who is this?
These are, I think, Russian paintings in watercolor. Again, very old. A very old ivory tusks. One of the very large ones.
This I'm
About 7 feet tall. If you measure it properly, the whole thing, the 6.5 to 7 feet, both are different. And there's the tiger. You can see another one.
Oh,
Real one.
Real one, of course.
seriously?
Yes.
From
Oh
Tripura.
my
From
goodness.
maybe Tripura, I think, or Madhya Pradesh. My grandfather.
These
must have
are
shot it.
real
Maharaja
tigers.
Vikram.
Is
But
it-
you
that
see
is
the-
a goodness, no?
Yes.
Real
This
tiger.
all side paint. This whole room is carved. It took about 1 year to make, and the wood came from Tripura,
Wow.
and it's all handmade, and there are lights inside it.
Like,
Wow.
Light is inside. It's all concealed under the glass. Because I just had the room painted recently,
Huh.
and these are the 3 very famous paintings also.
Wow.
They are the female versions of Shiv, Brahma, and Vishnu. So many people are not for the women thing. No, we talk about women's empowerment today, but this is women's empowerment. Very old paintings, the female version.
Oh, they also had female version?
Female version, this is meant to be Vishnu, the female version.
Oh.
And that is Brahma in the middle and Shiva's, version in the end.
this,
It took 1 year. People from Tripura came into the carving. You imagine?
From Tripura.
From Tripura. And now nobody can do anything. You see, this is our Tripura people doing.
We were
My
so
grandfather
talented
made
ना?
this. We're so talented. That's what I'm saying. And now we've become.
ये सब
And there's a
हमारे
Buddha
लोगों
statue
ने ही
here.
बनाया था सब ये सब
but you don't have dine.
When we were young, we used to eat here with my father and over here. My mother used to sit here. I used to sit in the third one. I still remember. I used to sit here and eat.
You
Here?
sit here.
yes
My father,
huh.
mother,
Huh.
and my sisters were there, everybody. But I remember I used to sit here. And we used to come from school.
Huh.
Lunch break, we used to have 11:30 from Loreto Convent, 11:30 to 12:30.
Huh.
So we used to come here and we used to have a full-fledged proper lunch
Oh.
with the waiters coming and serving us food in silver and everything.
Oh.
It seems like such a long time ago now. But this was a very usable place, and then after lunch we used to go back to school.
Oh.
And I used to always miss class 10 minutes because
Of the lunch, of the grand lunch.
but we were so disciplined. My father was, like a proper Maharaja. Everything was done properly. And 3-course meal, And he was, of course, fond of continental food. So first we would have continental European food. After that we would have Indian food. And then Tiprasa food.
I had lunch there, no? I used to tell, no? This European also there, Indian also Tiprasa also there.
So we used to have all types of food and we used to end it with pudding or fruits and things like that. Then we used to go to school. So I've had the good fortune of having lived that life. So that's why I feel like, it's our duty, not only myself, but finally you see it belongs to all of us. It's our joint culture and history. So if we don't look after it, who will look after it?
Right,
We
right.
cannot have people coming from outside.
Right.
So if we don't take pride in what is ours, nobody else will give us any credit or dues.
Right.
So whenever I'm in Tripura, I'm doing repairs there, like Kavita has pointed out. I'm here in Shillong, I'm doing repairs or in Calcutta. But if we don't do it, nobody else will do it.
Yes, right. So where Bubagra used to sit?
Bubagra, my brother was not born only at that time.
Oh.
Then when he was born later on, he sat here. It
Okay.
was according to the age.
Oh.
Senior most was my father, no? And mother. Then if my aunties, my P and others used to come, they used to sit here.
Okay.
But if not, then my elder sister, then my second sister,
Okay.
then I'm the third in line, so I would be here. Then my younger sister, like that. And those days we had our cousin brothers. My P used to stay, the elder one, in Shillong, in Upper Shillong. Now they have gone. So then they used to come here almost every day for lunch or for dinner. That is also, you can see from here, Buddha statue is very famous. In a lot of books it's appeared. And then those two paintings in the side, those are of the terrace garden in our house in Calcutta, Tripura house.
Oh.
Very beautiful.
From different directions, right?
Yes.
So who did this?
This again is most probably Chinese and dates back to maybe 400-500 years.
They brought it like this, or they came and carved it here?
No, it was brought from there.
Oh, so long.
And you'll notice we have a lot of Chinese things here. Southeast Asian. Even this rooster is a Chinese one.
Oh,
This
so beautiful.
is made of copper.
Oh.
This is wood and this is saying copper. It's also Chinese and you can remove parts. See?
Oh, so cool.
So nice.
There.
Then it will become a hen.
See how talented people used to be in the past. They spent
I
so
think-
much of time in.
Yeah. I think all your house items and everything, it will be so much valuable, no?
That's true. And these boxes that you see,
This one also.
this is called a camphor box.
What's there inside?
No, right now, of course, it's just empty, but this
Yeah.
was used for storing things in the past. This is also
clothes
Chinese. It's very old, very heavy. It's made of camphor wood. It's totally carved.
Okay.
Camphor is anti-insect. So
Oh.
in the old days, people kept things in China for preserving, clothes or even
We call
papers.
sanduk. No,
It's a sanduk, but it's a Chinese one.
Chinese.
Really heavy.
So here they used to keep clothes or jewelries.
Clothes and manuscripts and things which could get eaten up by insects.
Okay.
Because camphor wood doesn't get spoiled ever.
Camphor means?
Kapur. Kapur wood.
Oh, it's very heavy.
What's it like?
All this carving.
They used to bring these things now from China.
Yes, because Tripura, whatever, we had a lot of good relations with Burma. And Burma used to have a lot of people from Chinese origin also coming and doing work.
Oh.
And like I said, I think we were more forward that time. And Kavita, this gate in the present Ujjayanta Palace in Agartala, you remember I told you, it's the same as this one. This is the same gate. This is
Same
the
gate as
tiger's head, but they have spoiled it in Ujjayanta Palace. Over there, they have cut off the face. I've shown them to renovate it, but this is the same gate, one of the parts. It's still so good over here.
Because you are taking care
I mean,
here.
yeah, I just recently also have had it polished and it's all very strong Burma teak. It will not get spoiled. And outside, of course, I've had it painted. These dogs also. I just had it painted, no? So now you can see.
Recently we painted, no?
Recently, Kavita, that's why all my work is going on. I said, while it's raining, we'll do some work inside.
Whenever she goes there, repairing.
I must, in my last life, I must have been an architect. But I enjoy it actually. Even here I'm making rooms, small rooms.
You have-
See the face and also clear. So now when you go to Agartala, to the main palace, Ujjayanta Palace, the museum, you see inside how they've destroyed the face and everything. And this is the original. I explained to them also, we preserve whatever is there. Otherwise we lose everything. Paintings, photographs, how long will they last?
repair the building.
First, the building has to be repaired. Photographs also will be there because Maharaja Bir Chandra Manikya was a pioneer in photography. He's the first one to bring in photography into Eastern India. A lot of people don't know. And he was so broad-minded, he encouraged all his Maharanis to take up photography. And he educated all of them.
How to click.
How to take photographs, how to process photographs in those days when you didn't have anything.
Even
his
the
children.
processing also.
He did it all himself. He was known for that. He developed his own techniques because Tripura's climate was different. Those days photography, when it started, it was done in England. You had to send your photographs there to be developed.
My God.
So what he did was, the climate was different. Tripura is very humid. So he developed, tested many chemicals and he did his own process. So he and Bharat Thakur, Samarendra Debbarma, the wives, the children, everybody participated and they did it themselves. And he started the club. It was called the Tripura Club in the palace. And everybody was encouraged. So he was so broad-minded. And he's the first one to have done his selfie with his Maharani, which is made in the painting.
I saw it. Yeah.
I gave. I had an exhibition in Delhi also, and I showed that, and people were so interested. And then, of course, in my interview, I explained about how using a shutter. Those days, he did that. So Tripura has so much of talent, but it's all been hidden. So this is the time for us to open it up and to show it to the world. That. We were ahead of our times. Yes, instead of doing things which are of no use, and nowadays, unfortunately, a lot of I'd say even our own people, they feel depressed nowadays. Okay, maybe it's the corona thing or job employment is not there. But there are other ways to be constructive in life. Yes? This is a good time to explore your hobbies and your talents. So if the Maharajas and even the people those days could do it without having all the technology we have today, if they could pursue what they liked, why can we not do it today? We have everything today. Despite that, we've become lazy. So we have to waken up. Like I said, photographs had to be developed, they had to be sent by ship to England. So then the Maharaja developed his own technique in Tripura. And this is way back in the 1860s. And today, 2020, we are too lazy to do anything on our own.
Too much ease has made us
that's the thing.
Lethargic.
So sometimes we need to be hardworking, open up our minds, open up our thoughts. It'll do our body and our mind some good as well.
Yes.
So this is also like a message to everybody.
Yes.
That be yourself, try to discover yourself, make use of whatever opportunities come your way. Good times, bad times, they will always be there. But if we don't try to use those times, they'll never come back again.
Right.
And one day we'll have regrets. So let's not have regrets. Let's encourage people in our state also. Unfortunately, we don't have any artists anymore. We had so many musicians, artists, photographers at one period. And now today, nobody wants to go in that line. So let us start again. There's always a new year ahead. Yes, worst times may come, but we have to make use of that opportunity. We can't just stop living.
Right.
Yes. So let's have a golden period in Tripura again.
So hey guys, we are out in Lai Mukra. I don't know how to pronounce it well. We are here for a haircut in a salon called Mapui. Let's check it out. I've heard a lot about this salon, so let's check it out. I saw here. Oh my goodness. Sabu, sang lang. Nice. Chúng tao khởi nãy đã khởi nãy mà lên đó. Okay, bye nhỉ. Bye. So I just met my cousin brother. He's in Shillong. So we're going for a haircut. So we're not able to meet him now. It's such a small world though. दुनिया छोटी है बोलते हैं. So we are here in Mapui. It's in the same building with Galaxy Gym.
Same building, na?
So we are here. So this salon was recommended to us by one and only Bubagra. So let's check whether it's really good or ऐवे बोल रहे हैं. Hair wash हो रहा है मज़े से. My hair is a mess right now because I didn't wash at all. It's been 4 days that I have been here in Shillong and it's really cold compared to Agartala weather. So if I wash, it won't dry and I'm still coughing. So चलो यहाँ ही धो लेते हैं. Who is this pretty girl? Ditto, same to same. Me. This is my original copy and this is Xerox copy. For hair wash. My hair is really dry, okay? Almost done with the hair wash, right?
Yes.
Your name?
Lucy.
Lucy. Hi Lucy. Hello. So Lucy is from Churachandpur, Manipur. She's a Mar. चलो हो गया hair wash. अभी हम चलते हैं. We're going towards the haircut section. Mommy, has Ada Khan in haircut?
Outside, I'll bring tomorrow shampoo, okay?
Haircut time. Now we're gonna cut my hair. My mom is done. Let's see how Mapu is. I heard a lot about Mapu. Let's see how Mapu cuts. Mine and here's my mom's. So we're done with the haircut. Hey guys, so we are here in Plaza, Shillong. We are here in the streets of Shillong to do some street shopping. Huh? Glory's Plaza. Bondo na ka? All the shops are closed now. Yes. Oh my goodness. Shillong manai. See, we have to go all the way up there. Oh my goodness. Go. We have to go up there for exit. बहुत थक गए हम चढ़ चढ़ के. Finally, nothing we couldn't buy anything, so we got some apples.
जो तो मार्केट खुल गया
Oh, bondo no yang una?
मैं तो रुई दुकान से रुई दुकान
Oh,
काय काम
yang bondo kana? Kanya ni. Bongke. Bondo sing wai kana. Kulang li na. Andro gundang wai kya. Am sit thang sine. Akon thang sine. Center point of Shillong. Oh, my mom wants to try this. So, we're going back. Disappointed. We didn't get anything. Oh. Hey guys. So we came back from PB and we rested for a while and now we're going for dinner. Chalo ye hai hamara. So here's our dinner for tonight. For tonight, you belong to me. We are playing billiards right now. And look at this.